Everyone, how are you all? Hope you are all safe. Today we are going to write down the translation of the chapter number 3, Koruk. So open your notebook and put down the heading chapter number 3, Koruk. Koruk, that means who is healthy. Who is healthy. Now write down the first picture. एकः पक्षी अस्ति, सः आकाशे अत्र तत्र गच्छति, सः पुनः पुनः वदति कोरुक. That means कः निरोगी भवति. Now write down. There is a bird. There is a bird. Full stop. It goes here and there. It goes here and there in the sky. In the sky. Full stop. It speaks. Speaks. S-P-E-A-K-S. Speaks again and again. Again and again. Comma. Now put down the double inverted comma. Who is healthy? Who is healthy? Question mark. Now write down in the brackets. Who is without any disease. Write down in the brackets who is without any disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. Question mark. Now complete the bracket and again put down the double inverted comma. Next picture. पक्षी द्वारं द्वारम् अटति. एकम् एव प्रश्न पृच्छति. जनाः उपहासं कुर्वन्ति. कोऽपि उत्तरं न ददाति. पक्षी निराशः भवति. Now write down next paragraph. The bird wanders. W-A-N-D-E-R-S. Wanders. Door to door. Door to door. Full stop. It asks only one question. Only one question. Full stop. People ridicule it. Ridicule it. R-I-D-I-C-U-L-E. People ridicule it. Full stop. Nobody answers it. Nobody answers it. Nobody answers it. Full stop. The bird becomes disappointed. Disappointed. D-I-S-A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D. Disappointed. Full stop. Now next picture. That means next paragraph. सः वनं गच्छति. वृक्षे उपविशति च. वृक्षस्य अधः वैदर्षि वाग्भटः अस्ति. पक्षी पुनः वदति कोरुक कोरुक इति. वाग्भट शृणोति. It, write down in the next paragraph. It goes in the forest. It goes in the forest and sits, sits, sits on a tree. Sits on a tree. Full stop. There is Vaidya, 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 Rishi, 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 Vagbhat, 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 under the tree, under the tree. Full stop. The bird again speaks, comma, put down the double inverted comma. Who is healthy? Who is healthy? Question mark. Again, who is healthy? Who is healthy? Question mark. Now complete the double inverted comma. Vagbhat hears it. Vagbhat hears, Hears, hears it. Full stop. Next picture. Sah vadati. हितभुक् मितभुक् रुतभुक् इति. अर्थः अस्ति यः हितकारी भोजनं करोति, यः मितकारी भोजनं करोति, यः ऋतु अनुसारं भोजनं करोति सः एव निरोगी भवति इति. सन्तुष्टः पक्षी ऋषि समीपम् आगच्छति. सः ऋषि नमति अनन्तरं स्वस्थानं गच्छति. Now write down in the next paragraph. It says balanced meal, BALANCED, meal, 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 eater, 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 balanced meal eater, comma, limited meal eater, limited meal eater, eater according to a season, eater according, ACCORDING, eater according to a season. Full stop. Complete the double inverted comma. That means the person who takes, TAKES, takes balanced meal, comma, who takes meal in proper, who takes meal in proper, PROPER, proper quantity, 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 and who takes meal according to the season. According to the season, comma, remains, 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 remains healthy, remains healthy, healthy, full stop. Now next paragraph. The satisfied, SATISFIED, the satisfied bird comes to the rishi, comes to the rishi. It bows to the rishi, it bows, BOWS, bows to the rishi, full stop. Then it goes, to its own place, the OWN, own place, full stop. Clear everyone? Now this is a small story who shows the importance of our physical health. It warns us for our bad habit of our lifestyle and food. You have to also write down the glossary in your rough book. Exercise. Pronounce the following word orally. इसमें आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना है, ये जो वर्ड्स दिए गए हैं उसको प्रोनाउंस करना है. Answer the following questions based on the content of the lesson in Sanskrit. ये कुछ संस्कृत में क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, उसको हमें आंसर भी संस्कृत में ही देना है. जैसे कि पक्षी किम वदति, पक्षी वदति कोरुक, पक्षी वदति कोरुक, ये इसका आंसर था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find out the action verbs from the unit, then write them in the blanks. Follow the illustration. Example like गच्छति, जैसे कि लास्ट में ती आता हो, जैसे गच्छति यहाँ पे दिया गया है, तो जैसे कि अस्ति, भवति, ठीक है. Follow the illustration and frame sentence. भिक्षुकः ब्लैंक गच्छति, ब्रैकेट में लिखा गया है गृहम और इसका आंसर होता है भिक्षुकः गृहम गच्छति. वैसे ही क्वेश्चन आपको दिए गए हैं शृगालः ब्लैंक भ्रमति और इसका आंसर है वनम, तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? शृगालः वनम भ्रमति. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Follow the illustration and frame sentences. पक्षी ब्लैंक गच्छति ब्लैंक उपविशति च, पक्षी वनम गच्छति वृक्षे उपविशति च. ब्रैकेट्स में आंसर दिए गए हैं, उसको ही आंसर आपको ब्लैंक्स में लिखने हैं. जैसे कि छात्रः ब्लैंक गच्छति ब्लैंक उपविशति च, तो इसका आंसर आएगा छात्रः शाला गच्छति आसनम उपविशति च. क्लियर? थैंक यू.